Can I use Elementor with PremiumPress themes? Well, the simple answer is yes. And what's even better is you do not need the Pro version. So you can use all of the options within our PremiumPress themes, design it using Elementor using only the free version. Let me show you how. In front of me we have the PremiumPress auction theme, but this setup works for all of the PremiumPress themes. So you log into the admin area, click on PremiumPress, click on Design, and click on View Designs. Now here you can see all of the designs that come with your PremiumPress theme. On the left hand side here you see this option where it says Install Elementor, so we click on this, and at the top we can now click and install Elementor. And this will basically link you to the WordPress repository where you can install the latest version of Elementor. Now remember, Elementor offers a free version and a pro version. You do not need the pro version to use any of our PremiumPress themes. They work perfectly fine with the free version. So there's no need to pay anything extra to use the Elementor setup. Click Dashboard, View Designs. Now you'll notice there's a new option at the bottom in green that says Load into Elementor. Now if I click on this on any of the designs, and as you can see, now the design is completely loaded into Elementor, and I can go ahead and start changing text, changing buttons, changing designs, etc, etc. So there we go. Can I use Elementor with PremiumPress themes? Yes, of course you can. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video tutorial.